yeah, I'm back home and now I'm about to cook some steak. I'm gonna wash my hands stuff first. I'm about to season the steak. These are the only thing seasonings you're gonna need: salt, garlic powder, and pepper. I'm only gonna make 2 steaks just for me and Betty. We'll rinse them off first. I'm struggling to put these gloves on. Boom. I'm just browning the edges right now first. That way the fat can cook. The steak is looking real good, smelling real good. Look at it. Look at this, y'all. I'm about to make 6 eggs. Watch and learn. I do salt, pepper, garlic powder. I flip them. Hey, hurry up because I'm hungry.